Hi, I'm Akil Heather. Welcome to our program. Today I'm about response.send redirect and servlet re- request servlet dispatcher dispatcher servlet. First of all, create like example login page. Pass the form of service we need. Use the form tag. Next action. Pass the action URL of servlet. Servlet is by name serve.java. What is URL? URL is a key. You can change it. Method one post. Enter ID. Input type equal text. Name equal ID. This name is recognized on server for fetching data. Password. Input type equal password. Name equal pass. Input type equal submit. Value submit data. Submit data display on button. First of all, I will use response.sendRedirect. Response set content type. I want to display message in text or HTML format. To be required, pass the value of set content type text or HTML. I want to fetch data from index.html while the submit runtime submit index.html as a request. Request dot get parameter by name ID. I want to ID, so name is ID recognized by attribute name. So pass the ID. Next, request dot get parameter pass for password. Pass. Request dot get parameter return string value. Like example, we entered index.html string str1 string str. Take the condition str1 means id equals Akil and str2 means password equals Akil. Both are Akil. Then display welcome page of HTML response.send redirect welcome.html. Otherwise, we entered some different data. Display same page response.send redirect index.html. But welcome.html not available here. So welcome.html. Type some message like welcome to Java web program. Code is ready for run on the server. Looking in notebook. Enter ID and password. Like ID is Akhil and password some different 1 2 3 4. Return same page index.html. But I am entering correct value. Password is Akhil or ID is Akhil. Welcome to Java web program. Respond.send redirect method change the URL. Means URL index.html and after submitting check the condition is true, then change the URL is welcome.html because we pass the value respond.send redirect welcome.html. So URL has changed by welcome.html. But request dispatches is something different. I am using request our dispatch. Request dot get request dispatch. Welcome dot html. But two method is here, forward and include. Now I am using forward. Let's forward this page. Welcome. But request and response is old. Request and response means URL not changing. Index dot st. Run again. See difference. Kill ID, some wrong ID. Return same page but URL Akil display could not change URL. URL is same. Enter correct data. Display welcome .html page but URL same because request and response pass the forward method. So all the request and response as a hold and work. URL is not changing. So what is benefit of request dispatcher? I want to perform operation servlet collaboration. Like example, one servlet to another servlet pass some data. So we should go for request dispatcher. But one question arises: what is difference between include and forward? I want to some message display. Like example, 1 minute print writer response dot get writer. Some message your entered data is incorrect. Pw dot println wrong ID or password with display index.html. So attach the index.html same server page. So we use include. Again, some wrong value AKI password both are incorrect. wrong ID and password with attach this page. So include battery used for some message with attach the page on same server page. Enter correct value. Key password is a key. Enter. Welcome. What is servlet collaboration? One servlet to another servlet. Pass the data. So Java resource, Java resource, src, new. I create another servlet page. Class name servlet collaboration call. Finish. I want to use servlet collaboration while we call servlet page means any Java page. No need extension. Serve call. Only class name. No need .java. I want to pass some data. Request dot set attribute. Attribute name is ID. Passing value. mm, Welcome to Java web program with, with entered ID to show add str1 and retrieve the data in post method. Response dot set content type. Next string str request dot get attribute. Attribute name is ID. ID. Whatever you can take ID ABC. But request dispatcher return type is object, so we need typecasting in a string of typecast and dis- display on same server page. So we need print writer. Print writer pw response dot get writer pw dot println st. File is running. Incorrect data AKI password A. Wrong ID and password. correct data, email again. Welcome to Java web programming and ID provide again. Same URL run this code server collaboration. You you use response.send redirect. You can't perform the such type of operation. Servlet collaboration is not possible. So while I want to perform servlet collaboration, one servlet to another servlet, passing the data or some message with attach the page, like example wrong ID and password with attached index.html. So the request dispatcher is better. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more video. Thank you so much.